The summit that is taking place in Doha is yet another compelling symptom of Qatar's role as a key connector in the international system and the importance placed on social development is also a crucial factor of Qatar's commitment towards peace, prosperity, and I would say also security. And it's an extraordinary summit, and we are working together. We have several ministers of state participating. We have also the Minister for Social Security, Inclusion, and Migrations heading the Spanish delegation. And we will work tirelessly to contribute to the implementation of the 2030 Development Agenda, which is, of course, a core aspect of the summit. Following the conference held in Spain, in Seville, last June, on financing for development, and looking ahead towards the United Nations Climate Summit in Belen. And I think that triangulation between Seville, Doha, and Belen offers a roadmap for contributing to adequate financing for development, the protection of climate and the environment, and also, of course, combating famine and contributing to social justice in the world.